Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Szenan-Balance from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now today's topic, we're going to talk about acupressure point for period pain, for menstruation pain. Right? The reason I do this is because I think it was 2 days ago that I did a live video. Then one of you said, "Well, would I be able to do?" Show you guys how to do acupressure point for period pain. I did already. It was months ago, probably. I did point it on the hand that show you how to reduce the period pain on the palm area. But today, yes, as you asked, I'm going to show you another point that for period pain. All right. So where is period pain? And normally, that female feel that when every month when you have your bleeding, right, you feel it can be before bleeding, it can be as soon as you get bleeding you have pain, right, or it sometimes can be pain afterward as well, right. But normally most happen at before and during, and then as soon as you finish your period, then you don't have any pain in your lower abdominal. Now, most people will get in this area, lower abdomen, right? Some may do it on one, just happen on one side, some the other side, some across, okay? And others may have pain up to the stomach or even vomiting. Or the pain will be very severe that cause vomiting or feeling sick or feeling very tired. Okay, so some of the cramp in the is not actually on the tummy, it's actually on the lower back up here or on the sacrum area. All right, if that happened in the lower back, then you want to go back to the previous video that do it on here. All right, those points for the lower back point, and it will help. If it's on the lower this part, then the acupressure point today will help with pain over here as well. Then some of them may feel the pain actually go down to the thigh, the thigh area. And if it's coming to the thigh area, and most of the case may related to endometriosis, right? So endometriosis period pain, and it can be hormone problem. It can be due to stress. It can due to the blood clots, the blood stagnation. What according to Chinese medicine, the blood can't go down, pass out properly, so it builds a lot of pressure in your uterus that causing pain, right? It can be blood deficiency, right? It causing the pain as well. Okay, and apart from acupressure point, heat pack over here, this area, it will help a lot. So as soon as you start feel the pain, put a heat pack on. Don't wait until it build up to the level that you can't take the pain anymore and you put heat pack on. You may feel, oh, it helped, but it's still very painful. As soon as you feel the pain, put a heat pack on, and it'll help. If pain on the sacrum area, then you put it on the sacrum area, not just in here, to front and the back. All right. Now, no matter the pain is in here or here, the point I'm going to show you today is going to help all this here and here. All right, both area. I'm going to talk about what can you take while during your period. Okay, it will help. It used in our Chinese culture a lot, you know, but this it's gonna be just like reduce the pain, right? It don't actually fix the pain, you know. If you want to get the pain stay away from you, then the best way is keep doing the acupressure point every day. Then when you do have the pain, do extra time for it. Then take some Chinese herbs or do acupuncture regularly. Or we actually can give you Chinese herbs depending on what type of period pain that you suffer from, right? We can give you some herbs that is just before your period, you take the Chinese herbs for about 6 months. Or some of them, they actually need to take regularly for few months every day. Then you'll find that, wow, when you have a period, the period pain reduce, the intensity reduce, then it doesn't happen so often, and eventually it will stop. Okay, it's about lifestyle changing as well as taking Chinese herbs, but we don't know what's causing your period pain yet. So, but it doesn't matter what causing it. This point's gonna help when you suffer from period pain, right? So where are the point? The point is actually in here. We call Szenan-Balance over here, but I'll tell you, if we want to get it better, if the pain is right across all this area, just one point of Szenan-Balance is not strong enough. I'm going to show you an area, all right? So the ankle bone inside here, and the toes on the side of your big toes, your 4 fingers above the ankle bone. Right? I'm going to show you on my ankle bone later. Then that is how you get to the point, right? Let me show you on my leg. All right. So I hope you can see. Not on my computer of that one. Here you go. So this is my Szenan-Balance point over here. So how you locate this point? So this is the big toes, little toes, right? So you want to find the ankle bone on the big toe side, right? And your 4 fingers, now from the ankle bone up here. So this point over here is right on the back of the bone, right? This is the point, all right? Then I want you to do not just this point. When you find that this point is very sensitive, you can go lower and upper and find a sensitive point, all right? When you get to the sensitive point, you get 2 fingers above the sensitive point. So from this area down to here, all this area. So from here, go down to here. So 4 finger first, you hit the point and you find, okay, this is tender too. And oh, this is tender too. How about here? And that's not tender. So from the tenderest point over here, 2 fingers above. So you want to cover from here, lower down to here, right? So how do you do this? Again, use this technique, right? I'm going to show you the technique first. All right, I'm going to show you the technique. The technique is use your index fingers. This is your index fingers. This is the technique. So bend your index fingers and make a fist, and use your thumb to support your index fingers. Then use the knuckle over here to massage it, right? Or you can use your thumb, give your thumbs up, and bend your thumb and use here, all right? So either here, or you can use the other knuckle as well, or you can just use your thumb, or you can use the massage device for it, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I get to the point. For my one, I feel tender here, and I feel, oh, this is tender too, and that's nothing in here. So over here, I'm going to put 2 fingers from here lower. So on here, there is no muscle in here. That's all bone. It's quite bony over here. Sorry, on the YouTube. This is so bony over here. And that is muscle over here. So all here, this part, on the bone, as well as on the muscle, and more importantly, right next to the bone over here. That's always sensitive. All right. So I am going to use this and find it. Oh, okay. Nothing on the bone. Not much on my bone in here. Oh, this is a bit tender. So I can rub it there for 30 seconds. Right? When it's 30 seconds, you go to the next point. Nothing. Oh, this is a bit tender. Rub it like this for 30 seconds. Right? Oh, this is tender too. Just rub all this point. Okay? All this point. Then behind the bone, this is tender. So this point need to be 30 seconds. And over here, I'm doing quicker because I'm going on this live video. I'm going to take a bit shorter because I have patient coming. We have online video consultation later for herbs. So we just got a new update from our association. We're allowed to send herbs out. So we have been booking our patient in today. So I'm going to go online and to see my patient and give prescribed herbs to my patient and send it to them. So this is tender over here. So now this is right beside the bone, and this is one finger next to the bone, right? Next to the point, right beside the bone is over here. So I'm going to use my thumb. Let's use the thumb then. So this is tender, so that can be 30 seconds, and up over here, there's nothing. 30 seconds in here, and keep going. Oh, this is tender too. I can do 30 seconds on that point as well. Not much in here, a little bit in here, so it can be 30 seconds in here. So you can go down to same level of the ankle bone at this point, right? Then when you finish here, you go back a little bit and find out this point. Oh, this is tender too. All right. In here, nothing in here. A little bit in here. Nothing in here, nothing in here, nothing in here, nothing in here. So from here to here, that is where you get the point, for period pain, right? So can you do a short video of menstrual? Okay, yeah, we will do it afterward. Okay, not today. This is for pain. Any pain, any bleeding, any period pain over here. So I want you to please help me to give me a thumbs up on this video, live video, and share this video to your friends, to your family, and let people know that we are doing an acupressure point for period pain today. Please share with your friend, right? And leave your comment down there. If you have any question, if you want me to do any kind of video, a happy day, just put a comment down there, and I'm going to write it down, and I'm gonna do the video for you next time or in the future. All right. So this point gonna help any period pain. As soon as you get pain, you do it, right? As soon as you get a little bit pain, you just do it. Or if you know you have period pain, what you're gonna do is every day you're gonna check this area. I just show you the area. Check this area. If they are tender, get a gentle rub once every day. And what happened? You might find out in the next coming period, the pain, the intensity of period pain may reduce, or it may not happen at all. All right, it may happen like this. Remember, if you find that the pain intensity doesn't go away, it keep coming back, what happened is you may need acupuncture, or you may need Chinese herbs to help you. As I said it before, mentioned it before, we give herbs to you and we teach you acupressure point. And if it's very severe one, you need to come in for regular acupuncture. but most of period pain are not as severe, but you want to get rid of it first. How to get rid of it? You can come in for consultation, and you can book an online consultation, and we can give you herbs, send you the herbs, and you just take it. Most of patients, they just take the herbs before period, a week before, and until your period, your bleeding stop, then you stop the herb and continue it for 6 months. And then you may find that after 1 or 2 months, and your period pain, the intensity of your period pain reduce a lot, or even that stop, and you just continue for 6 months, and then you may not get your period pain anymore, right? But it may happen, but if it keep happen, then we just may need you to take the herbs regularly. Now, everyone's different, I can't tell, but most time we give our patient for period pain, they just take it before period, all right? And of course, doing heat pack daily, especially when you have your period, you suffer from period pain, give a heat pack on there, put a heat pack over this part, it will help a lot. And you can put a heat pack while you work as well. You don't have to go back home. And a lot of people, they suffer from period pain, and that is awful. They have to take off work, they have to take sick leave and being at home and suffering from the pain, and that's not good. I have a question here. What is the difference between Harari point and 12 medical point, and when can we do the two, in what conditions? I'm sorry, we're not going to discuss medical 12 at the moment. You may ask this question next time, because we are going to focusing on period pain, and I'm doing this video is for my patient, for my clinic patient, so it's not good to discuss acupuncture point at the moment. I'm so sorry about it, but we'll save this question for next time when I do needle myself, and you can ask the question. Then another way that you can do for your period, take care of your period pain is hi Jay, how are you? To take some ginger. Now, in our culture, I remember when my family, a cousin or my sister, they suffer from period pain. That's what we did in our culture, and actually in Chinese medicine as well. And we take ginger. So how big is ginger? It's about a thumb big. So you slice it, and put it in the pot, and you boil them from 2 cups of water down to 1 cup. Which means it's about 400 ml or 300 ml down to 200 ml. Then you add sugar. What type of sugar is the best? Is brown sugar, so it won't be too spicy, hot spicy for you. If you not mind the hot spicy, and you can take it directly, and that's fine. If you but what we do normally, we put sugar, and that kind of sugar is not white sugar, it's actually brown sugar or black sugar. So make it takeable, drinkable. So you slowly drink it while it's warm, while it's hot. As soon as you drink it down, you get warm in your tummy, and you find that the pain reduce. And of course, put a heat pack on your lower abdominal, and it will help your period a lot. Okay, and apart from taking ginger with sugar and brown sugar, but if I do want to mention that if you find if you know that the sugar actually make you sick, you are sugar free, don't put any sugar, all right, and just ginger. So ginger, sugar, heat pack on your tummy, acupressure point that I just show you how to deal with those. So do it all together. I'm sure you'll get relief straight away, immediately. All right. So remember, if you want to get rid of your period pain, this is for the symptom, the best way that you can deal with it at home. Another thing that you can do is if you want to get rid of your period pain, the best way is to see an acupuncturist and Chinese herbalist, and we can help you. We can give you some herbs that you take it regularly, or you take it before period for the next 6 months. Then that's how we treat it, period pain, right? Stay awesome, and I love you all. And thanks. I know this is for another time. Thanks for period pain. You the best kind teacher. No problem. Thank you very much. And remember, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family and put in your social media like Facebook. Stay awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow. And today we're going to do a live video to needle myself treatment, and in that time you guys can ask any question that you like about acupuncture. But this video is actually for my patient. If you're an acupuncturist, you watch this video, and those points that I just mentioned, you can get the answer point and insert a needle, and bang, it will give your patient instant relief, 100%, right? I love you all. Stay awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow on the live video. Bye-bye. Oops. Hi everyone, welcome to